calling this the enemy last chance is a pure propaganda and distortion of reality. Fashoda TV, let's be clear. The people in Jonglei are not just faceless. Faceless opponent to be surrounded and commanded. They are civilians who have suffered decades of targeted attack, bombing, and displacement. Look, pretending that military inspection and a slogan like surrender and join peace automatically bring stability, ignore the real cause of this conflict. Home burned, hospital destroyed, market looted, and communities terrorized by the SSPDF. That's not peace, it is intimidation, dressed as a reconciliation. Peace is not achieved by threat, fostering or declaring a so-called final phase of oppression. Fashoda TV, true peace comes from justice, protection of civilians, and accountability, not a slogan or staged inspection. If the army dignity is restored at the expense of entire Nuer community, what kind of peace is that? Well, like victory for peace mean little when the people living in those areas continue to suffer. So, Fashoda TV, stop glorifying Johnson Olun, military dominance as peace. Real stability is built on respect, humanity, and safety for all, not the humiliation or targeting of one group. Peace can never prevail by targeting your community.